Hello everyone, welcome to new episode on our channel. It is an honor for us to be here again letting everyone know the best information related to digital business, digital marketing, e-commerce dropshipping, affiliate marketing and everything. Whatever has to do with entrepreneurs in the digital age. If this is the first time you see one of these videos, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. On this occasion, we are excited to present to you 5 tips for starting a dropshipping business 2023. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy the video. We assure you that the following information will be very useful if you are in the world of e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other online venture. Here we go. A dropshipping business requires, among other things, choosing a reliable company, finding a product and market, and promoting yourself. Dropshipping in e-commerce is to serve as a kind of intermediary between the wholesale companies and the consumer. In this way, a person can start their dropshipping business, but without having to store or ship the products. They only take the order and pass it on to the wholesaler who, in turn, makes the delivery directly to the customer. Before continuing, let us give you a special mention. This channel is sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr is the #1 web platform for freelancers in the world. Here, just by putting in the search box, you will have at your disposal hundreds of experts from all over the world in topics such as online store configuration, web page design, editing and video optimization, or the topic you can think of in the service you need. Do you need any service related to artificial intelligence, such as GPT chat for customer service or content creation based on artificial intelligence? Go to Fiverr. From $5 and up, you can find someone to help you with that. We mean it when we say that it is one of the best tools you will ever have. In the description of this video, you will find the link to access Fiverr. Now, let's continue. This system can be an ideal way to break into the e-commerce market as a first-time business owner if your startup capital is limited. It can also be an ideal business model for those who want to try their hand at a low-risk e-commerce venture before moving on to larger marketplaces and original companies. At the same time, starting a dropshipping business comes with its own unique set of challenges, due in part to the very nature of its accessibility. Saturated markets, inventory supply chain issues, and quality control are just a few of the headaches you may encounter when trying your hand at a dropshipping business. That's why it's so important to follow the right startup principles and fully commit to your business. Read on to find out how to start a dropshipping business that has the potential to sustain and grow. 1. Lay the foundation. Before you do anything, you need to take some basic preliminary steps into account when starting a business. Obtaining a business license should be your #1 priority. You will have to decide if forming an LLC or a sole proprietorship is the best option for you. Choosing a corporate entity helps protect you from financial and legal liabilities. It also allows you to apply for a separate EIN or tax ID, streamlining the income tax payment process for your business. An EIN also gives you the ability to open a bank account in the name of your dropshipping business and apply for any financial help you may need along the way. Once you've removed the official documentation, you'll need to establish a base of operations. One benefit of a dropshipping business is that you can run it effectively out of your home. As long as you have a reliable computer and an internet connection, you will have the beginnings of your e-commerce business as a broker. 2. Choose a product and a market. Your next step is to decide on a product that you would like to connect with an audience. While this may seem easy at first, you should be careful with your decision. One of the dangers of starting a dropshipping e-commerce business is low profit margins due to a high rate of competition. To combat this, you need to focus on diversifying the products you offer at competitive prices. You can diversify your products by selecting a wide range of related articles, or by delving into a set of niche interests inherently reflected in the articles you have on your site. While you may be tempted to sell low-cost, high-volume items, you're better off looking for quality. Many dropshipping companies fold within the first year because they haven't focused on quality. When selecting your products, you must also have a market in mind. As with any new business, you'll want to do some market research to see who fits into your intended demographic and how you'll need to reach them. 3. Find reliable sellers. Your next step is to locate the vendors or wholesalers you plan to integrate into your supply chain. When a customer places an order, these are the companies you'll need to trust to ship on time and stick to set prices. It's not going to help your profits if your wholesaler keeps fluctuating the prices you'll pay. Part of choosing trusted suppliers also involves testing to ensure quality. When you use vendors to fulfill orders, You never actually see the inventory being passed to your customers. However, the customer doesn't know and frankly doesn't care about this aspect of your business. All the customer knows is that they placed an order with your business and it ended up being the wrong item or it arrived damaged. Verifying the reliability and quality of your suppliers should be your #1 priority after pricing your products. You should also keep a close eye on customer feedback and often reevaluate how your vendors are working for you. 4. Promote your business. Promoting your products and your e-commerce business will be the ultimate key to your success, especially in the beginning. It doesn't matter how great your products are or how smooth your website works. If no one knows it exists, you won't make a profit. To leverage a small marketing budget for maximum website traffic, look into inbound marketing techniques strategy used to engage customers and prospects through relevant content. Inbound marketing is all about sizing up your audience, making connections, and generating web traffic organically. You can adopt marketing techniques like SEO, automated email campaigns, and that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. We remind you that you need a professional online store for dropshipping, made on any platform with a high capacity to generate conversions. You can enter Fiverr in the description link. In Fiverr, you will find the right freelancer to help you with your online at very comfortable prices. We hope this information has been very useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you in a next video. Bye.